Hello and welcome to WPLMS tutorials. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to set up WPLMS on your site. So here I have a clean WordPress setup, as you can see, and this is the dashboard. So we go to the appearance theme section, and here in the add new section we have to upload the theme. Now if you're installing WPLMS theme for the first time, then we recommend you to download the whole theme package, and you need to unzip that package, in which you will find the following folders and files. So the first file, the wplms.zip, is the theme file, and then we have the child themes where you can see the blank child theme, and for specific child themes we have the old section. So here in the add themes upload theme, we'll select the wplms.zip and click install now. Now if you face any issues while uploading the theme, it means that your upload limit of the server is less than the theme file size, in which case you need to upload the theme via FTP. And if you simply search on Google on how to upload theme via FTP, you can see various help links. All of them are basically telling you the same thing, that you need to log into your FTP panel and then upload the zip file and then unzip it, or you can directly upload the theme folder. So right here you can see that our installation of the theme is complete, and before activating it I would recommend you to go back to the appearance theme section, and we'll upload the child theme. So we recommend child themes to be activated because you can make custom changes in the child theme, and the parent theme updates will not affect your changes. So as you can see, the child theme has detected that the parent theme is currently installed, and we can activate this child theme. Now upon activation we see that there is a setup wizard. Now if you are using an existing site, then you can go ahead with the setup wizard. The setup wizard will also work fine for the blank installs, just that it gives you an option of what all you need to install in your site, what all features you want on your site. So this has already been covered in other tutorials, which you can see. And here if we click on install using one-click installer, we see a page like welcome to WPLMS 3.5, and here we go and basically install all the plugins. Now sometimes during this installation you might see a blank page, which means you should go and click on which means you should come back to this page and click on install for each of these plugins manually. So now all the plugins are installed and active. So next we go back to the install WPLMS section, and now we can see that we have the option of selecting which demo we want to install. So here we can select any of the demos, like we select demo 10, and here we get the link to install the demo 10 plugin. And now if you go back to install WPLMS, and here we can see that for demo 10 we have this button active again, and now when we click on this button the installation starts. Now the installation would take around 2 to 3 minutes, and if it takes any longer than that, you just have to click on right click and inspect, and see that if you get anything in red here. So as you can see, our installation is complete and we did not get anything in the console. So now it is telling us to save the permalinks. We click on save permalinks and then save components. So first we save the permalinks here, and then we save the components. And now if we view our site, okay, so you can see that our site is looking just like the demo. So that's it from WPLMS tutorials. Thanks for watching.